Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just wanted to do a little mini haul of things that I ordered and just received today, and it's from HIPDOT. I'm going to show you the sticker, HIPDOT.com. That's where I ordered this stuff from. HIPDOT has different brands of makeup that you can buy, and I just wanted to share. There's just a few things, but I just wanted to share with you and see if you all wanted to see this in a video or not. So I'm gonna get started. Okay, the very first thing that I got was, and I have heard a lot of people talk about this, the Morphe sponge. Now I'm a sucker for sponges, and I got this one wet, and it is really soft. It feels like it would really do a good job of putting makeup on. I really like this sponge. Okay, so the next thing is, and I don't know if I'm saying this right, Ocallan glowing palette. I don't know if that's right or not. And it's a shimmers kit. When you open it up, you've got Moonshine, Stellar, Glimmer, Beam, Amorous, and Gilt. And it is a highlighting palette. I thought it was an eyeshadow palette, but it's a highlight palette. So I got that, and let me do just one little swatch here for you. Can y'all see that? See how glowy it is? So I want to definitely try that out sometime. Okay, the next thing I got, I heard Anwin talk about, and it's called the Love Alpha. I guess that's the brand, is a Love Alpha. And what it is okay, it's all in a different language, but what it is, it's a eye color freeze. Okay, it looks like this, and it comes with this little thing right here. Now this thing is plastic, but you use this, and I'm going to show you. I'm going to take the lid off, and I'm going to show you what this looks like. It's like a, see how it's like a putty. And what you do is you use this little applicator to put it on. Let me do a little swatcheroo for you. So pretty. This one right here. I love it. It's so pretty. The last thing I got, and I got this for two reasons. One reason is because it's really pretty, the colors. And the other reason is because it's got my name on it. That's my name. Cara Beauty. So if I ever come out with my own makeup line, I know I can't do Cara Beauty. Just kidding. But this is a Smoky Rose palette. It's 15, and here's all the pretty colors, and it's, oh, I love it. It's so pretty. I had to get it. Let's see, I'll do one swatch for you. I'll do, let's see if I can do salmon. See how good it shows up. Let's do redwood. Okay, now those are right there, and that's rosewood, and that's salmon. I don't know if you can see it very well, but it's a matte palette. That's all it is. And I just thought it was really pretty, and I thought it might make a really pretty eye look. Alright, so that's all I got. I just wanted to share with you all a few things that I got, and I will be doing my next video next week. I do have to work graveyard, and I've got to go in here in just a couple of hours, so I just thought I would hop on here and share with you a few things that I did get. And I love you guys, and I'm so glad you're here with me. and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys.